Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Klarna on DHgate. First, open the DHgate app and find the item you want to buy. Add it to your cart, then go to checkout. Enter your shipping address and details as usual. Now, since DHgate doesn't directly offer Klarna as a payment option, you'll need to use a Klarna one-time card. Here's how. Open the Klarna app and search for one-time card. Create a virtual card with the exact amount of your DHgate purchase. Klarna will give you card details just like a debit or credit card. Go back to DHgate's payment page, select credit or debit card, and enter the Klarna one-time card information. Once you complete the payment, Klarna will split the cost into easy installments and your order will be placed. And that's it. You've successfully used Klarna on DHgate with the one-time card method. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.